Well, at least it's worth the view. There you go, Sofia. There. Can you see? That's obviously, it looks much better with naked eye, but hey ho, it is what it is. You get to see Sofia from high up in the mountain on a video. All that grey blob in the middle is the city. Yeah, and I'm still on that little hill. My goodness, that's like so steep. I don't even want to go down. I feel like I just need a sled. I just like slide. But I know it's about half an hour until we reach the waterfalls. So at least I have some sort of timestamp. Oh, what to expect. Yeah, alright. I just continue walking.